right, everybody, we're heading up to Baldy Mesa. This is the exit that we get off on. It's a Silverwood Lake exit. And to actually get to the trail, you got to come all the way up to this stop sign right here when you get off the freeway. You don't go right, you don't go left. You go straight across. There's a dirt road right up here. You see where it says freeway entrance? So you go straight across, and then there's a little curb you got to go over, and you're in. This is the trail. Take this all the way back to where the railroad tracks are. You park right there and unload. All right, we'll see you guys when we get there. All right, everybody, we're out here at Baldy Mesa. Sorry for the background noise. But when we did the engine build, we changed the jetting. We didn't like it, so we're gonna go back to where it was on it. So we're out here right now. I'm gonna loosen the carb boot up real quick. Spin this thing to the side, get to the bottom bowl. So on this particular carb, Honda's, we got a 17 mil here. Just gotta pull that off and get to our jet. So I'm gonna do the swap right now. All right, guys, so what we're doing here is on the jetting. This is the pilot jet. It's a 45, that's what we put in there. I think it's a little fat. What we're going to a 42 pilot main. What we went down to was a 155. We probably shouldn't have did that. So what we're doing is we're putting the 162 back in it, the main jet. So it's fairly easy. Pilot, just a little flat head, and it just goes right up here on the bottom. Buddy, we're back. We're back. We're heading out to Baldy Mesa. We're gonna go to Widowmaker. We're gonna hit some trails. We're gonna kind of take it easy, but we might go hard. So we'll see what happens. The 06 over here is broken. We got the jetting changed, so we're gonna see what it's gonna do. Maybe we'll take it up Widow for the first time with the new build. All right, guys, we'll see you at Widow. Catch you on the trail. Yeah, it's nice. No hesitation. I didn't have to tell him. Nice, good job. right, everybody, we're here at almost the Widow. We're at the backside of Widow. I'm gonna hate this run. I never got it on video yet, so alright guys, got a little sketchy there, a couple spots, but no problem, all day, no problem. These guys are hitting it, so there's my moto stand. I've been looking for that. Why'd you leave it out here? Dude, now you gotta carry it back. You're carrying it all the way to Widow and back. Really? Look. I think they've been cooking meth in the bottom of it. Wow, look at all that black stuff in there.
Black tar heroin.
Black tar heroin. Wow, that's a big old tray to be doing black tar heroin in. Is that the chimney for it? Wow, dude, I touched it.
Hey.
I got some fungal, some black tar fungal on my hand, guys. Oh, I gotta get out of here. This is kind of sketchy. I think we found someone's cooking utensil for black tar heroin. All right, I think we better get out of here. Yeah, we're gonna have some gremlins or some hill tweakers running after us. I hear them already. Hell yeah.